So friends, this is the backup part 2 here. In last my previous video, how take a backup, why take backup, and this my video, backup related video part 2. So you want to understand what is a backup, how many type backups. So first watch my video and continue this my video backup part 2 because last my previous video some settings and other backup systems. Last video continue this video here. So now in this backup part 2 here and continue these settings last my videos. So this is the backup systems and very important for me. So and every computer, every user, because this is a backup system on type of take copy. So let's start here. So watch my last video and this is a very important. So this continue video, let's start. So this is a all user and this is my all user document backup here, and in second time backup I will never take all user again. And you can see schedule means you can perfect exact time, you can set your timing. That means 7 p.m. means your 7 p.m. time your take automatically backup here. So this is schedule backup here. So you want to like this folder automatically take backup here, these systems here. So you can take backup here, these run backup on the schedule systems here. So that means your computer automatically take exactly your particular fixed time here. So this I'm saying select every Sunday 7 p.m. These automatically take backup these three systems. So you can set you maybe you like timing here. So I don't like the time, so I'm unclick here. But you won't like how often means weekly, day, and systems here. So you can see run backup on the schedule. So recommended and after me weekly, day, and daily and monthly. So daily in big company and multiple company always daily time these take backup here, and you can see just here 12 a.m. to you can see 12 a.m. p.m. So noon time, morning time, anything time you can take your backup. So 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m. So some company your backup take. So I don't like timing here. So you want time. So set here, and you can take backup by timing duration in your computer, daily, weekly, anything. So these backup automatically take background side, okay, not directly showing in your computer, but you have hard disk space, you have must hard disk space, okay. And change schedule means you can change your schedules of you can set your demand on demand means your computer demands. So this is a very important of your run backup on schedules type, okay. So save settings and run backup, and this start showing Windows call not enable automatic backup because I'm change the schedule backup here. So automatically backup, you can see these, you can see my backup start here, this showing me here, okay. And automatically my backup take one partition to another partition. You can see view my what is a create of shadow copy. So backup is one type of copy folder, document, anything to another. But is backup is one type of backup software in store here. So you can see backup size not available, that means not showing, not mentioned here. And you can see backup location my here 5.73 GB free here, and this my backup 1.2 GB, that means 3 GB free space here. And schedule not I'm starting, and next backup, that means you never because I'm first time backup, that means last showing last backup nothing saved never, and content is in files and libraries, personal folders, and all users selected folders showing here. Content means your files, file types and data here. So this showing backup in progress automatically start, and you can see schedule. So turn on, you can see, but I'm not like a backup schedule. Restore means your backup you complete your backup, so you can after second step you restore your backup here. So this is a backup take automatically my first these user data. So user data that means your user in your document, your videos, your download file, anything your download systems here. So showing this backup all of take the backup. So you can take your backup customized system, and you take your selected systems, and you take backup by Windows by default backup. So Windows always try to back by default options take all of hard disk partition to another partition backup here, but I like only schedule backup as systems here. Okay, so that is very important for my computer, my systems here. So how can we we restore in by using a restore systems and anything. So I will restore in this computer, and again second time I will take backup again. You can see my finish, my complete, my successful showing message here. My backup is complete successfully. Okay, and this Windows 7 file recovery control panel, but I'm not recovering. I'm just showing first here all of our data my take backup, and how what is the look of data. So you can see this type looking here. Okay, so this is a one type, not directly folder showing. This is a one type of showing of data in backup software systems. So this is a backup programming system in showing here. Right click and restore option directly, but I'm open and I'm check first is my backup data and backup files, and you can see backup one type of you are install zip software. Okay, WinRAR software. So this is a WinRAR software showing here one by one. So all of backup, cut it. All of backup, you can see here. These one type of files here. So just this is a this is a showing all of my time to time duration, and you can see here, and all of file not directly open as you must restore your system. So this is this is a one type of backup of your software systems. So double click and you can restore my files from this backup. You can restore your and restore file all user of this computer and manage space using by backup. So first restore you want original files here. So you can see here just this type showing it. Choose a file and you can see last week and last month. So you can see this my I remember this my backup here. So first search here, and you have no searching anything. So browse for your computer, and you can see Windows backup is showing here. First my backup and party backup C and G. You can see my just showing here date, and my same as these files all are showing here. So restore means original showing backup here. So first this all of I will check my data in this original size type. So I want to recover my original size file folder and anything. So click on here add folder, but not directly. First add folder, browse folder, and browse files. So directly take folder and directly take files. I'm just in original location. So you can store your original location, but you are location recover time other location you mentioned, just like your pen drive, anything other hard disk. So browse and select locations here. This PC, Sky, anything. This is my Sky user libraries and network computer. So I like only this my this PC here. So this desktop I will store, but original location means you take backup original uh, original location from, so that put their side again. So location you can select you by your customized location. So you can see just my all of location showing this PC, and I will select my partitions, but I'm just looking desktop only. You can see restore file and completely restore, because this is a small size, not more. So you can see this my partition G showing here, take G name, and completely same data showing here. Okay, same windows showing of document. So I can take backup my, in case I delete this my computer, so I can take a backup from here. So this is a very important for backup of local computer, and you can take backup by your server. So I will delete, and next video I will again take backup, and I will show you again this uh, system. So change settings. I'm why changing setting, because you take new backup. So in second time backup I will show you not save. You can see my let me please choose, and I don't like data files. I like only my main computer file, and system link are not include the system image reserve, just like system reserve is the system reserve one type of partition. So next time I will video continue and showing you how take these backup, and this type backup, how many type available for backup inside different files and folders and copies. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Click on subscribe button, click on like button, click on share, and please share my video in your friends. So thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.